This is a test of the emergency alert system. This has been a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that could quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. So, this has been a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that could quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Prices in the entire Central Coast. Car Motive.
A civil authority has issued required monthly test for the following counties or areas. Santa Barbara, California, at 10:50 a.m. on November 2nd, 2022, effective until 11:05 a.m. This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. If this was a real alert, you should tune to one of these television or radio stations to receive instructions from authorities about what is happening and what you need to do. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Sea temperature 66. At San Pedro Channel, Louis. Winds were northwest at 23 knots. Wave height 8 feet at 14 seconds. Sea temperature 64. Air temperature 60. At West Santa Barbara Channel, Louis. Wave height 7 feet at 11 seconds. Sea temperature 58. Air temperature 56. At Tanner Banks, Louis. Winds were northwest at 23 knots. Air temperature 60 degrees. Wave height 10 feet. Wave period 15 seconds. Here is the surf forecast for the Los Angeles County beaches and Malibu coast. High rip current risk. Today, rip current risk high. Surf heights, west facing beaches, 3 to 5. West winds. This is the weekly test of the NOAA radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will automatically activate to warn of impending weather hazards. The weekly test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm will normally be conducted by the National Weather Service on every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather is occurring or possible, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. The warning alarm is activated for weather warnings and selected watches, hazards, and special non-weather events that affect the following counties: San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Los Angeles counties and adjacent coastal waters.
That's 1-800-635...
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in the area. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
This is a monthly test of the emergency alert system. If this had been an actual emergency in the San Diego area, official messages would have followed the alert tones.